Hello folks, this is Jeremy Cloud from Cloud Financial with your June 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, I'm going to talk about some of the major economic headlines from last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for markets and for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. Greece dominated headlines last month as negotiators struggled to reach a deal between the indebted country and its European creditors. On the U.S. side, investors dealt with the Federal Reserve meeting as well as a better than expected May jobs report. In June, Greece took center stage as negotiations over bailout money faltered, forcing Greek leaders to push the issue to voters in a referendum. Greek banks shut down to prevent a run, also limiting ATM withdrawals to prevent panicked Greeks from pulling out all their money. In the weeks ahead, we'll be watching for more news from Europe as the fallout from the Greek crisis starts to land. Though the situation may be a tragedy for Greeks, we don't expect to see significant issues in the U.S. That's for two reasons. One, Greece is not a big contributor to the global economy. Two, Greece has been in various stages of a crisis for years. At this point, economists, investors, and government leaders are as prepared as possible for the crisis. Though we can't predict the future, we believe that the effects of the Greek situation on U.S. markets will be limited. We might see a short-term pullback as investors adjust to the uncertainty, but we can hope that the attention will return to domestic fundamentals. The Federal Reserve Open Market Committee met in mid-June to discuss the current state of the economy. Though they didn't raise rates, Fed economists reiterated their commitment to the wait-and-see approach. We don't yet know when the Fed will begin raising interest rates, but a number of Wall Street experts are betting on a third quarter rate hike. Are rate expectations already baked into stock and bond markets? It's hard to know for certain, but the Fed has been doing a good job of laying the groundwork for future rate moves. So we can hope that markets won't overreact when rates start to go up. Domestically, the economic picture is looking brighter. The economy created 280,000 new jobs in May, beating expectations. Though the unemployment rate ticked higher to 5.5%, it came as a result of more people looking for jobs, which is a good sign about the labor market. The final number on Q1 economic growth showed that though the economy contracted in the first quarter, it only fell by 0.2%. This is better than expected and hopefully paves the way for a stronger second quarter. So far, estimates in Q2 growth range from about 2% to over 3.5%. Looking ahead, investors will be taking a close look at earnings reports from the second quarter to see how U.S. companies did in the past 3 months. We'll also be delving into economic reports from the first half of the year. All told, we've got a lot of information coming at us in the next few weeks. As always, we're keeping a close eye on markets and will update you as necessary. That's it for the June Educational Economic Update. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. Annual Halftime Report, August the 6th at 11 a.m. or 5:30 p.m. at the Jackson Center. Social Security Planning Class, August 18th at 6 o'clock p.m. and September 15th at 6 o'clock p.m. at the University of Alabama in Huntsville. Retirement Planning Today course, August the 20th and August 27th or August 25th and September 1st from 5:30 to 8:30 p.m. at Calhoun Community College, Decatur campus. Rejuvenate Your Retirement, August the 19th and August the 26th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Northwest Shoals Community College. Once again, this is Jeremy Cloud with Cloud Financial, signing off for the month of June 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss personal financial situation, please give us a call at 256-715-0094. We'd be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advice is offered by Horder Investment Management, LLC, a registered investment advisor. Insurance and annuity products are sold separately through Cloud Financial Inc. Securities transactions for Horder Investment Management clients are placed through Pershing Advisor Solutions, Trust Company of America, Jefferson National Monument Advisor, Fidelity, Security Benefit Life, FC Stone, and Wells Fargo Bank N.A.